Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Nuer-English. In this lesson we will learn about 10 useful English words you can learn with simple meaning in Nuer language and in English. Before we proceed with this lesson, please, I would like you to help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell. Okay, let's begin with word resilient. Resilient mean mijero de kapet a changbech pointer. Resilient mijero de kapet a changbech pointer. Resilient mean able to recover quickly from difficulties. Be able to recover quickly from difficulties. Mijero da kapet a changbech pointer. Word ambitious. Ambitious mean muguru bipek duora shop. Muguru bipek duora shop. It is ambitious. Muguru bipek duora shop. It is called ambitious. Ambitious mean having a strong desire to succeed. When you have a strong desire to succeed, it is called ambitious. Miguru bipek duora shop manoke. Word generous. Generous minogu bi dundu nyuak kanete kokien. Minogu bi dundu ki bi dundu nyuak kanete kokien. It means generous. Generous mean willing to give or share with others. Minogu bidundu nyuak kaneti kokien shale generous. It is called generous. Minogu bidundu nyuak kaneti kokien. Word courage. Courage. Chidwal ke mideji mochriek. Chidwal ke mideji mochriek. Word courage mean chidwal ke mideji mochriek. Courage mean the ability to face fear. Kidwal ke mideji moirek alawo tika luanke tika bom no chale courage. It is called courage. Courage mean the ability to face fear. Kidwal ke mideji moirek. Word opportunity. Opportunity mean banko bedwalat. Banko bedwalat. Opportunity banko bedwalat. Opportunity mean we can say a chance to do something. A chance to do something. It is called opportunity. Banko budwalat. It is called opportunity. Banko budwalat. Honest. Honest lartuka ke latuka. Honest mean telling the truth. Telling the truth. It is called honest. To tell the truth, it is honest. Lar tuka ke lat tuka. Lar tuka ke lat tuka. It is called honest. Or just to tell the truth. It is called honest. Improve. Improve mijagdwar kagwa. Improve mijagdwar kagwa. Mijake dwarkagwa. Improve mean to make something better. To make something better. Mijake dwarkagwa. Improve mijake dwarkagwa. Word respect. Respect mishanganete kokien kelus. Mishanganete kokien kelus shwale respect. Respect mean mishanganete kokien kelus. Mishanganete kokien kelus. Respect mean to treat other well and politely. Respect ludo muludinat kishanganada gwa enono shale respect. Mishanganate kokien kelus. Word achieve. Achieve mulode mi jikimen gori I bishop. Mi jikimen gori bishop monkwale shore no nena. To successfully reach a goal. Mi jegi men gori I bishop. men guri keche goro belat mishi ejek shala achieve. Emi jege men guri a bishop. To successfully reach a goal. Knowledge. Knowledge ngay duora. Knowledge ngay duora. Knowledge mean information and understanding. Knowledge ngay duora. Knowledge ngay duora. Ngay duora jaga mishale information. Information ka arwais ne. Mishi kula ngaji yo ba kula shol ba kula shol no e knowledge. Ke ba kula shol ngay duora ano. Bana ye nyako mukwen corner. Guada mena. Resilient mije roda ka pet a changbech point de shirko dong miti ka jwe ka brodo jech ano de larno jinti ka resilient chere ka rot ka Thok Nath rot. Ambitious miguru bipek duara chop. Ambitious alamute miguru no belat ano dong ti ka goal ke ti miguru belat miguru bipek duara chop chala ambitious. Generous minogo bidundu bi nywaka neti koken miti ga duala na mala ka mo jila ka mo chale generous nogo bi ngwane bi ka share kaneti koken ke bi nywane ri koken chale generous. Courage gwadme michi dwal ka mideje mo kerek alo michi dwal ka mideje mo kerek no chale courage. Changwane jen ka exam ke ka test kala dia dwal de jogo no bumne courage chere ka bom mu point du ci dwal ka duor chala courage. Opportunity kan chere kan ka bang ko bu duor bielat chere ka chance ke lak kan chala opportunity ka bang ko bu duor bielat. Honest jen lar suka mi lad Thok lat suka ke lar suka ke lat suka chala honest. Mung chere ka ngat honest ngake honest ram mo ram de ngat la honest ram ngat ke ka shianda ke la Thok la jalar ba chole honest. Improve jen malude mi jag duor ka gwa ki chome ja ko bela gwa chale improve wo bi duor be ja ka better ki bi ja ka gwa jalude mone mudong cha tidul gorka brodo chum kenin ki ka pet and continue gorga chale you are improving mu ka mirial rodu ka ki jago ngane ko bi ka go chale improve. Respect jen mi shangane de kokien ka lose respect do kono cholo lose in short lose chale respect lose ludeni respect chale respect. Achieve jen emijigi men gulo du jeki men guru no bishop chala achieve anona muguru budor bishop ka shechu ba chole shi du men gur shi lel shi achieve chir men gulo du je shejek mi jig men gori bishop ala chir miti ke gol ke ladija allo jenam bicho son larka gur na moderate ka midir lat ke gol mi she kula achieve ke shejek ba golo chola achieve mi jig men gori bishop. Knowledge lur na ngay duora knowledge chere ka ruayne ti chita dan te ka che ngaje chang cha je tejbo di loy ke lode chale knowledge mara ling ngak te ka knowledge ke ngak ngaja ngak o jinte mi che come across ti ka experience ba ko le chale knowledge jen be ke information be ka mi chale data kare di alto yo mi cha information cha ko la ngach ba ko lo ben la knowledge mi chudul go ka te ke ne mi to ka jingi te teacher te mi la to kenya mchi bana kala tele mingaji ano la tele mingaji then after that mi chai kula ngai gwada me a chaji ngai ba ji ngai kan data ne men mi shi understand mi shi ko understand yo shi ngaji no na magula ten luna na me ano a shi ngai bala information on gwada me then ka kore mi shi ko ngaji no shi ko ngai kaji a chang la le ti no na me ngulo do ka bielat ba chula ro jinti nguti ka no ti ka ngai duora shi lele shi ngai. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also do not forget to follow our Facebook page. Thank you. Bye-bye.